I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your Verizon account, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Go to the Verizon website. Open your web browser and navigate to the Verizon homepage. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any phishing scams. Step 2. Sign into your account. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account tab in the menu. Click on it to open your account settings where you can manage verification options. Step 4. Select verification method. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Follow the prompts. After selecting a verification method, follow the on-screen instructions. If you choose SMS, make sure your phone is nearby to receive the code. Sometimes the code can take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient. I hope this guide helps you verify your account smoothly. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Verizon support.